Hey there, Mr. Henry here, and I just received a new ukulele.
Woohoo!
This soprano ukulele, the DUS 10N, was sent from the music company Donner, and I'm excited to check it out. I'm always on the lookout for a quality ukulele that can be played in the music classroom or at home, and with this being a soprano ukulele, which is the smallest of the uke family, it's perfect for kids. And after I open this up to check it out, I plan to have it used in my classroom for the week to see how it stands up versus the current ukuleles in the classroom. My top 3 features I'm looking for in the ukulele is the craftsmanship, the feel of how it plays, and the sound. Real quick, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for notifications to get more music unboxings and reviews coming up, along with tons of educational and entertaining videos to help you in your musical journey. Number 1, craftsmanship. I will be looking for a smooth wood finish around the sound hole and fretboard, along with the quality of the fret wires and making sure the neck is straight. For most, the ukulele's neck should be completely straight, and I will simply take a visual look. While looking at the neck, also making sure that the strings are not too far away or too close to the fret wires, and also get an idea of the tuning peg's quality. Number 2, the feel. It's super important to have an instrument that feels good when you play it, meaning that it is easy to play. A well-made ukulele allows a player to press the strings down easily to flow from one note or chord to another. If it feels good, it plays good. Or it plays well. Yes. And last, the sound. I'm looking for a nice, full, bright sound that can be projected without having to strum or pluck too hard. Playing the ukulele is relaxing. And the last thing you want to do when playing a ukulele is strum super hard just to get a sound out of the instrument. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. So here we are with the DUS 10N, and yeah, gonna open this on up and check it out. Let's do it. Okay, cool. So, let's see what we have here. Ooh, sweet. So we got a little bundle package. This is super sweet. All right, take a look at that. And it looks like we have a bag. We have the ukulele. Ukulele. This is the bag. There's a nice little bag here, some straps. All right, so let's check out what's inside here. A couple things. Looks like this is the strap. Looks pretty sweet. All right. Then we also have some extra strings. This is great. It's nice to have some extra strings. If a string breaks, restring it. This is cloth to clean it with. Nice. Ooh, what else do we have here? We do have some picks, so that's awesome. And looks like they even give us a tuner. Wow, this is great. This is a clip-on tuner, so let's open this on up. Yeah, this looks nice. So they really give you everything that you would need. The tuner is really nice to have. Clip-on tuner, it clips on just right there. You turn it on, and you can start the tuning process. This ukulele is made of maple, which is a preferred type of modern wood used for building ukuleles. Traditionally, ukuleles are made of koa because that was a type of wood found in Hawaii, where the ukulele became most popular. Maple is a dense type of wood that is used for the back and sides, which is what we find here with the Donner DUS 10N. The top material, though, is made of a AAA Canadian maple, which is a nice upgrade. Basically, the more A's found in the title, the better. Upon looking at the body and neck of the guitar, everything is smooth and nicely finished. From doing a simple look test, the neck is straight and the strings are not too close or too far from the fretboard, which should offer a nice experience in playing. If the string were too close, that would create a buzz sound, which I am not expecting. There are 12 brass frets with fret position marks, and we find these markings on the neck. These dots, of course, help us visually understand and remember the position when playing the ukulele. The tuning pegs feel really nice. These are silver chrome plated guitar style tuners, which I would expect to keep the strings in tune once the strings settle in. When you first get a ukulele or any string instrument, the strings will not be in tune and will take a couple tunings to settle in where they generally need to be. From there, it's a good habit to tune up a ukulele every time before playing. Donner did offer a bundle package with this ukulele that gives a clip-on tuner to make it easy to tune, and also included was a bag, strap, strings, picks, and cleaning cloth, so you pretty much have everything you would need. They even offer free video lessons to get you started, which is super cool. So for craftsmanship, this ukulele is looking nice, especially for a price of under $50. And Donner is graciously giving those watching this video a discount on the DUS 10N. So check the description box, and by clicking the link, help support this channel as well, which I greatly appreciate. Okay, let's check out the second feature, the feel. So the feel is really very nice. I've definitely played ukuleles that are more expensive than this ukulele, and it feels pretty much the same, very similar to a more expensive ukulele. Transitioning from chord to chord is easy on the fingers, making it easy to play, which really translates into more fun to play. The strumming hand glides nicely across the strings, offering a great sound, and brings us to the third point, the sound. Let's take a listen. I'd say for me, having a big amplified sound is pretty important. I've played ukuleles that just do not project and have a weak sound, but this sings nicely. It's a rich, warm timbre, but still captures the essence of soprano ukulele magic. So I'm definitely happy with the sound. Actually, I'm pretty happy overall with the Donner DUS 10N so far. Built well, feels great, and a nice sound. You really can't get any better than that. But will it stand the test of a week in a music classroom? We shall see. I'm going to make sure this ukulele gets a couple tunings before adding to the fleet of ukuleles, and really interested to see how the tuning holds up throughout the week. So, I'll see you on the other side of the week. Hey there, it's been a week with the Donner DUS 10N as part of the classroom ukulele fleet, and I've been keeping an eye and ear out to see how it's working. In terms of how well it stayed in tune, it definitely passed the test. It was pretty much in tune all week after I had continually tuned the ukulele for a couple of days for the strings to settle in. Of course, it needed little tweaks here and there, which is normal. Its playability versus other ukuleles I have in the classroom is much nicer. It sounds better, feels better, and even students playing it had better success in performing the chords and notes we've been working on, which is massively huge. If the instrument sounds and plays nice, that gives a better experience in music, which hopefully gets kids and even adults more engaged with wanting to continue to explore music, which is the ultimate mission here at Mr. Henry's Music World. Another thing I really did like was the fact that you also received a tuner, strap, extra strings, cloth, and picks. For the music classroom, all of those are amazing to have, and the ukulele strap is something that can really help make sure the positioning of the ukulele is correct while performing. I typically have not used straps for students in the classroom, but with using the strap over the week, I saw better results in positioning, so I think it may be time to upgrade many of the ukuleles at the school. If interested in getting this ukulele bundle pack for yourself at home or in your classroom, visit the description box for a discount on this bundle package. By clicking the link in the description box, it helps support this channel to offer more reviews, unboxing, and entertaining music education videos at no extra cost to you. In fact, you get a discount. Yeah! Woo! Oh, I also put in some other options of ukuleles by Donner in the description box because of how well they play and feel. A student of mine purchased a concert ukulele from Donner prior to making this video, and when she brought it in to play during class, I was very impressed with how well it played and sounded. I want to thank Donner for sending me this ukulele bundle package to check out. And of course, I want to thank you for watching. Really appreciate it and wish you all the best. I'm Mr. Henry, and I'll see you in the next video.